Hello everyone and welcome back to the Brainy Founder channel. Today, we're diving into the world of passive income, a term that's a real buzzword in finance and entrepreneurship circles for a long time. Because it promises the dream of financial freedom, the allure of making money while you sleep or you travel anywhere. But hold on a second, is it really as effortless and lucrative as it sounds? Well, not quite. There are several misconceptions surrounding passive income that can lead people down the wrong path. So, in this video, we're going to debunk 3 common myths about passive income to give you a clearer and more realistic understanding of what it really takes. Let's get started. Chapter 1: Passive income takes no work. The concept of passive income is extremely attractive, for it suggests that in one way or another money is going to flow in without much hustle. That is the reason why so many people are attracted by passive income, since it poses an opportunity for financial returns with the minimal amount of effort possible. Such perceptions often lead to raising the bar and misconceptions of what it actually takes to set up and then maintain passive income streams. Initial effort and investment. Many people feel that passive income can easily be realized, yet in most cases it involves quite a lot of work and an initial investment. Setting up a passive income stream in real estate, for an online business, or from writing a book requires time, sometimes resources and money to get off the ground. For instance, if one were seeking investment in real estate as a source of passive income, it would involve market research, shortlisting properties, arranging finances, and managing the property themselves or through someone appointed by them. Similarly, if someone is thinking to set up his own online business or blog, this will consume his time and effort at the back end for research on the market, the content for the website, web development and marketing to attract and hold customers. Management and maintenance. When your passive source of income has already taken off, it is not yet time to just sit back and relax. Most passive income sources require some level of maintenance and management. This involves following market trends, changing investment strategy if it needs to be done, updating content, managing inventory, and resolving customer queries and feedback. For example, if you have invested in dividend-paying stocks, you will need to follow how the company is performing, the markets, and economic trends, so that you can be in a better position to buy, hold, or sell the shares. Similarly, in any passive income that comes from rental property, one has to manage tenant relations, attend to the issues of maintenance, and ensure legal compliance. Lifelong learning and adaptation. The passive income landscape seems to be constantly changing since technology, changes in the markets, and consumer behavior are changing rapidly. It is worth keeping in touch with new strategies, tools, and trends such that your different passive streams of income are as profitable as possible. This may encompass attending workshops, webinars, and seminars, reading books and articles, joining online forums and communities, and networking with other enthusiasts and gurus of passive income. That way, being watchful and active, you can identify new opportunities, mitigate risk, and optimize your passive income to work for you over the long haul. While passive income could potentially afford you the opportunity for financial freedom and a comfortable lifestyle, it is only fair to appreciate that it demands some initial effort, a lot of ongoing management, learning, and adaptation. At least, an understanding and coming to terms with such facts will help you form realistic expectations, make informed decisions, and act positively in forging the right paths in the creation of sustainable, profitable passive income streams that fit your lifestyle and financial objectives. Chapter 2: Passive income begets financial success in spades. What mostly comes with the appeal of passive income is the flow that follows along with it, financial freedom and stability at large. Most people feel that when they establish passive income streams, they will financially succeed in ways that will be unmatched, with never having to worry about money ever again. This notion, however, can be very misleading and dangerous if not confronted with a kind of realistic view concerning the complexities and uncertainties of passive income generation. Passive income is not a cure-all. Although passive income can be value-adding in your income and financial welfare, it's not a ticket to fast riches and a totally successful financial future. The fact is, passive income streams come with their own risks and difficulties, just like most investments and business pursuits. Passive income sources aren't impervious to market vagaries, an economic downturn, changes in consumer behavior, or unforeseen expenses that can dent profitability. For example, if you have been investing in dividend-paying stocks, a sudden crash in the stock market or financial instability of a company will surely dip your income. Equally true for the case when you're earning a passive income from rental properties, an economic recession or changes in conditions in the housing market could impact rental income and property values. Key to diversification. It is probably very risky to rely only on one source of passive income because you will be exposed to the vagaries and uncertainties associated with that source of income. The diversification is the key to reducing the risks and enhancing the chances for bigger success of passive income in the long run. Diversification, on the other hand, means investing in a wide variety of revenue-generating assets or venturing into different kinds of passive income projects across various industries and markets. This way, you will be able to spread and balance your risk in such a way that if one of the income streams goes wrong or has a downturn, gains from another can offset it. For example, investing in a mixture of dividend-yielding stocks, rental property, peer-to-peer lending, and online businesses to create a diversified passive income portfolio. That means, through the approach of diversification, you can have more than one channel to grow and derive your income from so that you can tap into different opportunities and conditions within the markets. Continuous monitoring and adjustment. Even passive income that only helps one reach and maintain financial success demands constant monitoring, evaluation, and possibly revision. Indeed, passive income streams cannot be expected to consistently and predictably yield revenues on their own forever without a well-maintained look after and adjustments. You would then have to review and analyze your passive income sources' performances continually, track your income and expenses to be able to make some informed decisions on managing, optimizing, and scaling your investments and business ventures. Sometimes it may just mean revising the plan, reallocating resources, looking for new opportunities, or even cutting your losses when need be. It will give one financial freedom and ensure that you are a success, though the path to accumulate wealth is not given or easy. It means serious planning, careful and consistent research, monitoring, and willingness to change with new circumstances and changing conditions in the market. Taking an approach to passive income with a realistic mindset, diversity in your income streams, be proactive, and stay informed in your decisions. This will put you a step ahead in your goal toward the long-term sustainable and profitable financial success. Chapter 3. Anyone can make a passive income in a day. An idea of generating passive income quickly and easily is growing in appeal in today's world, which is fast-paced and digitally driven. Many are attracted to overnight success stories and feel that this has to work for them too, that it is a matter of course that you can easily realize passive income with only a little or preferably no effort at all or investment. Actually, it sets one up for a negative expectation leading to disappointment, frustration, and potential financial loss because of a lack of realistic insight into the time, effort, and commitment entailed in building sustainable passive income streams. Patience and hard work are required to generate passive income. Creating truly sustainable streams of passive income is not really easy or fast as most people may believe. It takes a lot of time, much patience, and very continuous research, planning, implementation, and fine-tuning in some cases of passive income strategies that go well with your financial goals, skills, and resources. For example, if you're interested in starting a blog or an online business to generate passive income through affiliate marketing, advertising, or selling digital products, you'll need to invest time in market research, content creation, website development, SEO optimization, and marketing to attract and engage your target audience. It may take months or even years of hard work, trial and error, and continuous learning to build a loyal following, drive traffic to your website, and generate a significant income from your passive income venture. Not all passive income streams are created equal. Another important point to consider is that not all passive income streams are created equal, and what works for one person may not necessarily work for another. The key to success with passive income lies in identifying and pursuing opportunities that leverage your strengths, skills, interests, and resources and align with your financial goals and lifestyle preferences. For instance, if you have a background in real estate and enjoy working with properties, investing in rental properties or real estate crowdfunding platforms may be a suitable passive income strategy for you. On the other hand, if you're passionate about writing and sharing your knowledge and experiences with others, creating and selling ebooks, online courses, or coaching services may be a more rewarding and profitable passive income avenue. Beware of get-rich-quick schemes and scams. In your quest to achieve passive income, it's crucial to be wary of get-rich-quick schemes, scams, and unrealistic promises that promise overnight success and guaranteed profits with little to no effort or investment. These schemes often prey on people's desire for quick and easy money and can lead to financial loss, legal issues, and damage to your reputation. Before investing your time, money, and resources in any passive income opportunity, it's essential to conduct a thorough due diligence, research the company or individual offering the opportunity, read reviews and testimonials from other investors or customers, and seek advice from financial advisors, mentors, and trusted experts in the field. By doing your homework and exercising caution and skepticism, you can avoid falling victim to scams and make informed decisions about pursuing legitimate and viable passive income opportunities. While the allure of quick and easy passive income can be tempting, it's important to recognize that building sustainable and profitable passive income streams takes time, patience, and careful planning. By setting realistic expectations, identifying opportunities that align with your skills and interests, conducting thorough due diligence, and avoiding get-rich-quick schemes and scams, you can increase your chances of achieving long-term financial success and realizing the benefits of passive income. Passive income definitely provides an opportunity, without ambiguity, to move towards financial independence, diversification, and wealth accumulation. Perhaps what makes passive income attractive is the fact that it seems to provide for avenues through which revenue can be created without much effort involved in the process, hence granting one potential for more flexibility, independence, and sense of security in their financial life. In other words, this passive income is an alluring promise and opportunity to become financially free, to create wealth, and make the future financially more secure and fulfilling, not an instantly found solution with little effort. Such a realistic view of passive income, entailing clear undertakings of efforts, risks, challenges, and unwavering commitment to continuous learning, adaptability, proactive planning, and action, increases the chances of developing successful, sustainable, and profitable streams of passive income in alignment with your financial goals, lifestyle preferences, and long-term view of success and independence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe, so that you won't miss out on good knowledge from Brainy Founder channel. Audiobook recommend for making you have a passive income in the right way. Click the link at description. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.